Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create, hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to understand how to get yourself acquainted with the CorelDraw workspace, okay? If you are new in CorelDraw, to CorelDraw, this video is especially for you. I'm going to be showing you, the first thing that you need to understand when you launch a CorelDraw application, when you get a CorelDraw installed on your system, is to understand what to use, what the do's and the don't, all right? For very, very important, because most of the time, if you are new in a particular software, there are some things that you might click and you realize that probably you don't know where you clicked or how to get it back again. So this video helps you, is basically to help you resolve all the issues that you will have with getting acquainted with CorelDraw. All right, so let's get started. Now, the first thing that you will do when you open your CorelDraw is that you are going to get a welcome screen. If you just get your CorelDraw installed, if you have no work done before, you will see this whole place empty, or probably you will see just these template stuff here like that. First of all, I would like you to know, do you know that you can actually create awesome stuff with CorelDraw? Let me open this template and show you the flexibility that CorelDraw can actually give you. Okay, see, this is what some of the things that you can actually do with CorelDraw. This is a picture actually, but you can draw and sketch out this picture in CorelDraw. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, so you can actually sketch this whole thing out in CorelDraw. That is one good thing about CorelDraw, is the flexibility that it gives you. So you can give it a try. You can import this image just as it is now. Then you start using the appropriate tool to sketch out what is really right. So let me go back to the welcome screen. The welcome screen is where you first of all you meet when you open your CorelDraw. Then to get started with a document, you can either say open a document, new template, or you click on this place here. But before then, let me just so this is basically the welcome screen, okay? So but you need to be aware of the menus, so you will know where to click and where to open. To open a job and to close a job, to open a project in CorelDraw, you have your menus. And this is what I'm going to show. If you right click on your mouse, you are going to see all the information that is required for you to know about the workspace, the user interface of CorelDraw. This is the main menu. If I check it out now, you will see the main menu is out. That is the main menu, right? So I'm going to check it back. So this is the main menu in CorelDraw, is this top bar here. Now, after the main menu, we have the standard menu, which is this bar. You see this icon, open. It's almost like the main menu, but it's basically in form of an icon. So I'm going to check it out now, and you will see it's going to go out. Okay, sorry. That is the status bar. I mean the standard menu, okay? So when you click the standard menu, it went out. So the one I clicked before was the status bar. The status bar is this bar below at the bottom. That's where the status bar is. The status bar tells you about the status of every element, or every element that you put in your workspace, in your work window. When I open a job now, that is when the status bar will be more active. Right now, the status bar is just showing this information just like this. But when you open a job and you click on any object, you will see the status bar telling you the description, the description of that object. That is what the status bar does. So if you check it out, you are not going to have it anymore. So to check it in at any time, just right click on the menu here and you check it on back. So after that, we have the property bar, which the property bar is the bar that tells you the property information of every element when you open a job. these things, they are not active. If you try to opening a job, they are not active. So I'm going to click on the property bar back now. Now look at it now. The property bar is on inactive right now because you have not opened the job. So we are going to open a job uh, right about now. But before then, let me just show you the last and the last among them, which is the toolbar, which is almost the most important. Um, mm, no, I don't think that's the least. After the toolbar, we have the color palette. You still need to know about the color palette. Now, the toolbar are those tools here. They are the tools you use working in your CorelDraw. So let me check it out, and you will see the toolbar will disappear. So anytime you open your CorelDraw and you don't find your toolbar, just you don't need to get uh, frightened. You don't need to get scared. All you just need to do is right click on this and check if your toolbar is active. I'm sure it's not active here, so I'm going to check it in. So after there, we have the palette, the color palette is always at the right side of your screen. The color palette is here. The color palette is something that you can always you can toggle